Today we will learn about Firebase integration with the Swift UI in our project. So first of all, we will go to Firebase console. If you have a Google account, then you can log in with that. And I have logged in with my account here. And let's create a first project. Suppose Apple buyers, and I have accepted and continue. Select your country. Mine is India, so accept these and create project. The project is creating now. Let's wait for the completion. So today we will learn about how to set up Firebase to connect with our app. That's only for today's tutorial, and install the Firebase in our app. So let's just start. Now we have Apple buyer project. Now what we can do, we can register app bundle. What we have given here, we will use the same. So let's just add this one here and register app. And these two options are optional, so we don't need to use them. So this is the Google info playlist file. You can access this later, or you can download it right now and allow and download it. Next thing you need to do, add the Firebase. You need to init pod. If you have already installed, if you know how to install the pod, then it will be great. You need to, if you have not installed a pod, then you need to pod init and install. Then there is a pod file where you have to put, like I have a pod file here. So after I have installed the pod file, so it will create this one. So where I have to put use frameworks and save this one. After saving this one, I have to go to that directory where the project is saved. Then inside that directory, for that I have written commands. Now we need to add a pod install. For pod init pod, here I have init pod and install pod. So pod install. Now it will install the pod. It will take some time. Now what we have to do for that, now we have to go to next, and we need to configure the this one. We need to copy this and add to app delegate and initiate. For now it will show some error because the uh, pod is not installed yet. As soon as the pod will be installed, it is installing. So as soon as it will be installed, it will not show any error. So let's start. Next, what we have to do, we have to copy this one and this one go. So next we have to skip this one, and now we have set up project, and okay, One more thing to set up project here, we need to add the permissions, what kind of services we want to use for authentication. So now we have here our app, and we can download that info.plist file from here also. We have already downloaded but not yet implemented in the project. So now when clicking on authentication, you need to specify the methods here. Enable, it will be enable. Like if you want to authenticate with phone number, then you should enable it. And if you want to add the other options, then like if you want to Apple, then you need to save this one. So these are few authentication methods. We will use the cloud firestore to store the data. So for now we have all set up. One thing we have to do is that what we have downloaded here, we need to put that info.plist file here also, and copy, create group ref, and this will help to connect with the Firebase. So now let's see, it is installing right now. As soon as it will be installed, the Firebase setup will be done. So create a database test mode, okay, where we can enable and disable the. So right now it is installing and it is creating a database. So we will not use real-time database, we will use cloud firestore, because the queries in cloud firestore are more flexible than queries in real-time database. So it will be a great for us to handle the database with cloud firestore. So we have all set up. We have some login methods here, sign in methods in for app, and here we will the users will be shown who will log in to the app. Now everything is set up. What we have to see here, it is installing, still installing. It as soon as it will finish installing, it will show here, the word file will be shown here. For now it is not showing. First we will add a login screen to a login with the Firebase. So for today's tutorial, I want to show only how to set up the Firebase on Firebase console, and install the Firebase dependencies for Xcode, and one more thing is that to import the Google JSON file. So here we have pod installed. Now the Firebase is installed, so you can see as long as this will go, this error will go. So that's all for today's tutorial. Tomorrow, next tutorial we will implement the Firebase sign up and login and forget password, etc. Then we will move to storing the data for a particular user. So that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you.